Unboxing the term, box office, a movie lovers must know. Hello, fellow language enthusiasts and movie buffs. Today, we're going to dive into a term that you've probably heard if you've ever been near a cinema or discussed the latest blockbuster hits. We're talking about box office, a phrase that's as common in film talk as popcorn is in a movie theater. Whether you're learning English or just curious about this expression, you're in the right place. So, grab your notepad, and let's explore the world behind the curtain of the box office. Let's start at the very beginning. The term, box office, has a historical ring to it, doesn't it? Originally, it referred to an actual physical box where patrons would go to purchase tickets to a theater show. But it wasn't just any box. This was typically a sturdy, secured box in a prime location, the theater lobby or the entrance. Over time, as cinema eclipsed theater in popularity, the term made the leap to the big screen. Today, when we say box office, we're often not talking about a physical box at all. It's more about the concept it represents, the commercial success of a movie or play. In the modern world, the phrase box office has two main uses. 1. Physical location. Yes, some movie theaters still have a box office where you can buy tickets. It's a piece of tradition that holds on even in the age of online bookings. 2. Commercial performance indicator. More commonly, box office refers to the amount of money a movie makes from ticket sales. When you hear that a movie is breaking box office records, it means it's making a ton of money. Think packed theaters and sold-out shows. Additionally, you might come across terms like box office hit, a very successful movie, or box office bomb, the opposite, a movie that didn't do well financially. Why do we care about the box office, you might wonder? Well, it's a key measure of a movie's success. High box office numbers can influence awards and recognition. Oscar contenders often boast strong box office performances. Future projects. A director whose film does well at the box office is more likely to get greenlit for future movies. Actor careers. Actors in box office hits often see their careers soar as they are associated with successful films. It's not just about the money. It's about the popularity and cultural impact that come with high ticket sales. We've reached the end of our cinematic journey into the meaning of box office. From its theatrical roots to its current role as a barometer of cinematic success, this term carries a lot of weight in the entertainment world. I hope this video has shed some light on the significance of the box office and why it's more than just a place to buy tickets. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you at the next box office hit. Happy learning and goodbye for now.